Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. This episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about an alternative cooking method in the kitchen. If you have a electric range or if you have a natural gas stove and something happens and the power goes out, so your range isn't working, your electric range isn't working, or something happens with the supply lines for the natural gas, construction company digs through the line and you're without gas for several days while they fix everything, there's a way to keep on cooking. Now, most common way everyone's going to think about, oh, my camp stove, my propane camp stove. Yes, that is one way. But have you ever used a propane camp stove? If you don't have it adjusted just perfect, you get soot buildup on the bottom of the pots and pans. All right, but what I want to talk to you about is something a little bit more elaborate, because those propane camp stoves, they're not really big enough to do anything like canning on it or do some heavy duty cooking on it. Okay, what I'm talking about is something I got here. I did a video on my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, where I did canning up here. All right, so I'm going to move the camera and show you what I got sitting here on the counter. So this is a propane indoor-outdoor cooktop here. Let's see, it's I'm sure that's going to show you. You can see the flame come on there. Yeah, it looks like it's on there. So, yeah, and this is my 21 quart. Move it up here. This is the 21 quart pressure cooker that I canned a bunch of food in the other it's been about a month and a half now. And I got my big 17-inch cast iron skillet here. So why would I use this rather than the electric cooktop over there, or even the induction cooktop I have sitting on top of the range? Price of electricity is insane right now, and you all know it. You look at you paid attention to your electrical bills, and if you compare them from a couple of years ago, you're going to see how much electricity's gone up. Yes, propane's going up too, but not as fast as electricity. And so this gives me an option with this portable indoor-outdoor propane cooktop, I can cook indoors during the wintertime and everything else. And in the summertime, when it's hot and I don't want to heat the house up, I can set up a folding table outside and cook outside as well. So something for you to consider. Do you have to get one? No. If you do get one, do you have to get the one I got? No. Look around, figure out what works best for you, all right? So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill, all right? And especially get prepped for this winter